Hi, I'm Amal Malik and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Well, we have with us the music director who's the heartthrob of the youngsters these days, Amal Malik. Wonderful to have you on Bollywood Hangama, first of all, Amal.
Thank you.
And Mr. Bhushan Kumar is very, very excited about you. And Suraj डूबा है हमने 24 घंटे में हमने एक साथ हमने बनाया है and he's very quick and all these things. And even he knows all the terminology of EDM and all these things now. So, क्या आपने जादू आपने क्या किया हुआ है that everyone is just talking about Amal Malik right now?
I'm happy that is happening because it's been a very long journey. Like मेरी जो back story है, not many people know that I've started at the age of 16 and it's
You
been
assisted to a lot of people.
Yeah, I've worked with Amar Mohile, Salim Sulaiman, Preetham. A lot of people have been there who have shaped my musicality. My family is a musical family.
Right.
So वो सब बातें कोई जानते नहीं थे. So now 8 years of training has reached here. And now I'm doing my music and people are liking it, so it's a good feeling. But ये नहीं पता कि क्यों क्या है वो नहीं पता. I'm just looking to make a good song. That's all.
In fact, Salman Khan fans really have a huge things to say about Amal Malik because he has just composed a song "Main Tera Hero" that Salman has sung. It's become like a rage as well. So, how do you react to all these Salman Khan fans? I'm sure that they must be just pestering you all the time with their tweets.
No, but with Salman Khan, you know it has to come. If you are working with him, there will be billions and millions of people. If you do a great thing, you know, like then the people will come and be like, what a song and all. So it always depends on the song. I managed to luckily make a song which, you know, Salman sir has given his voice to, and him doing that is a very big thing. And as no one has made him sing a love song. अगर आप Hangover देखो या चांदी की डाल देखो, जितने भी उन्होंने songs किए, they've been very his style, his attitude. But this is a song जो उनके persona से हटके था. And he attempted it and people never expected कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा जैसा song Salman Khan will sing. So I think that has added a lot of value to the song as well.
And he says that मतलब मैं तो 45 मिनट में करके मैं निकल जाता हूँ फिर इन लोगों को 2 दिन लगते हैं उसको पूरा संभालने में ऑटो ट्यून करने में and all these things.
उन्होंने बोल दिया.
He sang at the press conference day before yesterday in Karjat and he sings quite well even in terms of the pitching and all that.
See, lots of people will always say this. These are techniques to make voices sound better. And forget him, there are singers I have worked with who also need this. No one is Surila perfect pitch. I have used on the best of best singers. It's how those things add a texture to the voice. आप दो गाने compare कर लो. English songs if you take, Hindi songs you take, no one says anything on an English song ki auto-tune. Everyone's, you know, like, wow, it sounds great. No one will catch that कि इस artist ने auto-tune क्यों डाला. So it's only the vibe. यानी अगर गाने में चलती है auto-tune या नहीं चलती है. So the basic tuning and melodyning जो voices में होती है today is important only till a point कि feel खराब नहीं हो. अगर मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा में we've used obviously he himself says, but he is a singer in such a way कि he will sing on tempo. He will आपको उनके साथ गाना पड़ेगा because he's not a trained singer. So एक line I would explain to him and he would repeat it with me. तो जो है आँखों के पन्नों पे he'll sing one line and then he'll sing the 2, 3, 4 lines together. Then he'll sing another line separately. But together he at least knows his musicality कि ये स्वर है ये pitch है. सीखा नहीं है वो अलग बात है. But forget Salman Khan, many singers need all that.
So can you hum a couple of lines from मैं तेरा हीरो?
आँखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा लफ्जों में जो इश्क था हुआ ना होठों से बयां खुद से नाराज हूँ क्यों बेआवाज हूँ मेरी खामोशियाँ है सजा दिल है ये सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा.
Fantastic. I believe Arman has also done a version of this in the
Yeah,
movie.
the film version जो है, जो first version which we recorded was Arman's. जो गाना मैंने present किया था उनको start like this song happened way back during my Jai Ho days when I was making music for Jai Ho.
Correct.
तो उस time पे I had read in some place कि सलमान खान has bought the rights of Hero. तो मैंने randomly एक ये hook crack किया था कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा जो कुमार sir has written. And I sang it and gave it in Arman's voice. I presented the demo. तो Salman sir really liked Arman's voice and he said ये जब film आएगी तो I will present it to the director and we'll see how it goes in the film. तो एक version उसमें originally Arman का was always going to be there. But during the whole 1.5 year that he lived with the song, so Salman sir loved that. So he started loving the song so much that he sang another version and we had two versions. तो अरमान का जो वर्जन है इज गोइंग टू बी ऑन सूरज एंड इट विल बी लिप सिंक्ड एंड इट विल बी मेनली सूरज इन दैट whereas Salman sir's version is like a promotional thing,
Promotional video.
where he sung for himself. But it's a very rare thing where an actor sings for another actor.
Absolutely.
It's happened in the West, but it's never happened here. It's a very rare thing. So Arman's thing is like a singer singing it, and here it's an actor singing it for another actor.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.